What's up guys, it's James, and welcome back to my channel, The Derpy Kitchen. For today's video, I'm making vegetable stock. One of my earlier videos, I made chicken stock. This one goes out for the people looking for an alternative. Vegetable stock is also super versatile like chicken stock. You can use it for a multitude of different things. If you like what you see, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like it. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time I have a new video. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram if you'd like to follow along on those and get updates. We have a fun time. Now, for the video.
The idea to make vegetable stock came from one of my friends, so thanks Luke for the suggestion. This one's for you. So, what you want to do for the veggies is give them a rough cut, nothing fancy. Everything I used for my stock was 3 ribs of celery, 2 medium onions, 2 large carrots, 1 bunch of green onions, 8 cloves of minced garlic, optional, 8 parsley sprigs, 6 thyme sprigs, 2 bay leaves, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You need to combine everything all in a pot and cover it with enough water and make everything float. Then bring that whole thing up to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and let that bad boy go for about 30 to 45 minutes. You can use this in so many ways, like making your own soups, deglazing pans, substituting it when you need chicken or beef broth, if you are a vegetarian or otherwise. Also, making your own stock makes you feel like an adult. So, that's something. Similarly to the chicken stock I made, when it is all done simmering, you can strain out all the bits and then put it in a freezer-safe vessel or put it in the fridge. You can use it within 2 to 4 days of making it. And don't forget to put a date on it if you are putting it in the freezer. It is good up to a year frozen.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope this was super helpful. Let me know if you'd like any other stock alternatives and any alternatives to popular dishes. I hope you liked the video. As always, comment down below any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not already, and make sure your notifications are on. See you next Sunday.